This is the second repairability test that you guys want me to do. That nail popped right through as I tried to pull the nail out of it. And look at this. It's not just a bundle of shingles. Now it's this tab, and the layer goes back to right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ridge shingles, including that one. So you guys want to claim that this was one, this is one. Well, that one's 9. So that's, oh, my mistake. That's 9 plus the one on top of this one. So that's 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, just in that one spot at the ridge.